Hello, and welcome to the first Ornithology WingCast. I'm Dr. Jim Kellam, Associate Professor of Biology at Saint Vincent College in Latrobe, Pennsylvania. This is a 3-minute video to showcase interesting birds taking place in our local area and what birds you can look for over the next few days. Let's start with the big news this week about the Hayes bald eagles. They've been laying eggs. Eagles lay just one egg every 3 to 4 days. Have you ever wondered why the eggs aren't laid all at once? There are a few reasons, but the biggest one perhaps is the energy and resources it takes to make an egg. Did you know that the calcium contained in a single egg's shell may be greater than the calcium intake of the mother bird in a whole week? So, if she's not getting enough from her diet, where would it come from? The answer is her bones. Female birds will take calcium from their bones and transfer it to the eggshell. Obviously, they can't do this too much, or else their bones will become brittle. So, egg production is limited to just one egg every few days. We'll check in with these eagles over the next few weeks and months. In the meantime, check out this bird feeder camera and all the action at the feeder. You'll see some familiar species here, but the interesting one is this Carolina wren, who picks up and ingests a couple small peanuts right in front of us. I've seen this happen plenty of times at bird feeders, but I want to point out that peanuts and seeds are not a typical part of a wren diet. The wren diet is about 90% animal matter, like insects. These two peanuts, they'll supply this little bird with about a third of its daily energy needs. It basically just swallowed its entire lunch in about 20 seconds. So what can we expect in the bird world between now and next week? Red-winged blackbirds. If you haven't seen them yet, you will soon. A small flock has shown up in the wetlands by Saint Vincent College, and their numbers will only grow as males arrive from the south to set up breeding territories amongst the cattails. But no females yet. Females migrate later than males, and it may be several more weeks before females begin making their rounds and eventually choosing where they will build their nests. Lastly, there is one fantastic bird you might see at local lakes. It's the Ruddy Duck. Look at this uniquely colored cartoon of a bird. Now, at this time of year, it's a little bit less cartoony, but it's still pretty colorful. It's between 14 and 17 inches long, making it noticeably smaller than a mallard or a Canada goose. One of these was spotted at Saint Vincent Lake within the last week, but it won't stay at any one body of water for long. You see, it's already started its spring migration inland from the Atlantic coast. The one found at St. Vincent may eventually breed in Saskatchewan in Canada. Many thanks to Saint Vincent College and to PixCams Incorporated for this collaborative effort. That's it for now. Forward flying to everyone.